This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Aaron Hunt. Don't miss this gem in the heart of Dunedin. Spacious 3-bedroom 2-bath home with large 2-car garage, has a nice split floor plan, and tile flooring throughout. It sits on a huge corner lot, with generously sized enclosed pool. AC replaced 2018. Great location, with easy access to shopping, entertainment and everything the vibrant Dunedin lifestyle has to offer. Waiting for your personal touch. Lots of fruit trees and beautiful plantings. Did I say pool? For more information, review the details below.